I'm going to teach you how to do the Rubik's Cube today. I'm going to start with a green cross. It doesn't particularly have to be a green, but that is what I've always started with, and that's what I've always just remembered. So, green cross. Green cross. Now, you have to get the corners. Oh, I'm sorry. When you get the green cross, you have to have these matched correctly according to color. And coincidentally, it just happened to work out for me. Man, that's bright as shit. That looks green. I don't know if it's my phone though. But alright. So I have those matched with my cross. Now I have to get the corner pieces, which is down, left, up, right. So I need the green, white, and red. Green, white, and red. It needs to be in the same area, and then down, left, up, right. But if you look at it, there's a simpler way to do it. You just do that, and then that, and then that. Because if I would have done down, left, up, right, it would have taken about 8 more steps. See, look, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right. See, that took way longer. So, when it's on this facing side, when your color is right here and it needs to go up, just do down, right, up, and it will save you about 10 steps. So that, and I'll go ahead and complete it. So you have the first layer completed. See, green, orange, yellow. And then this one is easier. When your color's on the bottom, your green is on the bottom. Just down, double, left, up, right, down, left, up, right. Boom. That saved you a lot of steps. And then this one is in the wrong. But either way, even if your color is right there, even if you don't think of this, just down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left. Oh, whoops. I'm looking at the cube wrong. Left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right. And then your last one, and then see this one, just boom. It's way easier than doing down, left, up, right like 3 times. See, now you have the first layer completed. Congratulations.